Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Azlizan from BE2. Today I want to review this video about how to make fingerprint door lock. This video released in 12 February 2019. This view watch is 19 million and this video has like is 1074. The publisher is Creativity Buzz on YouTube. The duration is 4 minutes 21 seconds. This video was talk about how to make fingerprint door lock. In this video, I show you how to use the fingerprint scanner for door lock using Arduino Uno. For making fingerprint door lock, you need Arduino Uno, Adafruit fingerprint sensor and servo motor. You can easily lock and unlock your door using this device. Okay, the component need to make a fingerprint door lock is fingerprint sensor, microcontroller, motorized lock, power supply, battery, wire, and optional accessories, for example, LCD screen, or LED. You can insert up to 127 fingerprint ID in this sensor to lock and unlock your door. Okay, that is how to do fingerprint door lock. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.